Yeah, man, I think we're ready. There we go. What? Oh, what is wrong? What is wrong? What is going on, guys? What is happening? We are queued for a game. It is Man Bun Monday, if you haven't noticed. Shouldn't be hard to notice, folks. Guys, we have a 1500. This is a... Huh. I am rated 150 points higher than this guy. 130 points higher than this guy. It's not that bad, I guess. I like to play higher-rated players. Okay, knight f6, d3. We saw it the other day, but we hadn't seen it in a very long time. Okay, so we play c3. Now knight f6, d3, and we're following every game. Magnus versus Hikaru. This is just mainline, dude. Adam Engel with the 50, bro. How you doing, man? Thank you, dude. Okay, now I'm gonna come here. We go here. There's no way with the 50 stars. Thank you, dude. Hi, how are you today? Sweeter. I'm doing great, Sweeter Kev. How you doing? I think this could be a move. This is probably a move. Here's my problem. I never play d4. I'm gonna do this. I have to play d4, guys. It's my goal. How are you doing, man? What is going on, guys? How was the weekend? My weekend was great. There we go. Then I'm gonna start moving. I'm gonna start moving to my new home. To my new F5 home. But I have to play d4. It's the point, and I never play it. I build up for it, and I don't play it ever. Yeah. It's probably the weakest point of my Italian game. What happened this weekend? Friday, we did a bonus stream for Twitch for hitting 500 followers. Twitch, thank you. Love you. That was Friday night, which we almost never stream on Fridays. It was so definitely a bonus stream. And then what happened for Saturday was Valentine's Day, man. We did taco truck for Valentine's Day, bro. She wanted it, man. She wanted a taco truck, dude. It was so good. I got the carnitas. No, I got the asada torta, and I added in a carnitas. Just a little taco, man, because I was afraid it was gonna be enough. It was okay. Yeah, that's a move. It's a real move, guys. Now, I could like take pawn takes and then play queen here. Looking at this, he would just defend it. We go here. He wants to take, we just take. But then we don't get d4. But we have a bind. We have a binder, guys. We have a pinky binders. Dude. Adali, how you doing, man? What's going on? I gotta tell you guys something. You guys know we have our weekly chess tournament every Wednesday. And somebody who was obviously cheating in the tournament for many years finally got banned, man. They got banned like yesterday or the day before. It's crazy. I'm like, there's no way they finally got caught. But when someone's cheating in the tournament, I can't say anything because okay, wait, what did he leave? He left this. It does nothing. He wants to play f5. I could play and then push. I could continue. This stops f5 because I'll just take it. So, hey Sabine, how you doing? So yeah. If you can imagine someone I knew was cheating, all you can do when you think someone's cheating, guys, especially in chat and on stream, you report them off stream. In other words, if I ever think someone's cheating, it's my job to report them. But saying it in chat doesn't help because then you turn into Vladimir Kramnik. then it will turn into a witch hunt, right? We would constantly... Now I guess we can just come here, right? Now he's going to come back. Then I probably come here. E5 takes. Yeah. It's all right. I got to get these pieces developed. This could be... Okay, he comes back. Now, this is my question. Do I take here? Or do I play knight takes, pawn takes, bishop takes? He has way too many defenders to sack a piece here. This is a common mistake I see people make, lower rated players. They're like, I want to sacrifice because they can. Because there's a sacrifice here. And you can get like maybe up to 2 pawns. Takes, pawn takes, bishop takes. That's 2 pawns. And I get the move. Because he has to move his rook, right? But even if I could queen check, which I can't, he could interpose. Plus, I can't. For 2 reasons. He has too many defenders. You can't sack 2 attackers. And then I have just 2 attackers that are not even really in position yet. And he's going to have 3 defenders, and 1 can block. Oh my God. Are you kidding? Yeah, no. No. Get it out of your head, guys. Get it out of your amigo head. I could play bishop after takes. This is the move I'm about to look at. Knight to this square. If g5, I play takes. If he comes up, I come back and check and say check, right? Takes, knight takes, check. We're fine. So does this work? What else can he do? Well, knight takes, knight take. Yeah, this might be it. This also opens up my queen and quite even pot. Well, I can't do it yet. Maybe bishop. Wow. Okay. Oh, he's just trading. Now, should I take here? No. We have our good knight on f5. Now. Okay, you should play knight f6. Keep my queen out. Because if my queen comes, he can't play knight f6 because I'll take this. So he needs to play knight f6. He needs to defend. And then maybe bishop. If takes, bring a rook. If not, we take. And then, okay. Now, so now if queen, he can play queen f6. He can't play queen g6. I'm going to come here. And I hope for the blunder. Then we fork him. Oh, but I forget, guys. When I'm streaming on Twitch, on chess.com, it tells people. Yeah, so queen f6 could be a move. It really could be a move. No. It doesn't work. It doesn't work because it takes check. He's in trouble. He's in mucho problemo, guys. Bishop takes is the threat. He's just losing stuff. The kid's not over. I bet I could quadruple the size of your bun. Sabine, you almost certainly could. Simply Not There says nice, thank you, man. Richie says nice, Samurai, thank you. Hold still, I'm almost finished. Cool, silly. Hi, how are you today? Sweet Kev, I'm doing great. How are you doing today? Stevie, how you doing, Stevie? How you doing, Stevie? Welcome. Dude, I don't have a whole bunch of thick hair. My hair is relatively long, but I do not have a whole bunch of thick hair. F6 doesn't do anything. G6, I play takes check. And then we probably just trade down and, just be better. This is a great move. It will trade off his only active bishop. And if he doesn't trade off, guys, I'm going to take. Now, I'll take here and make him take with his rook. Then he can eventually get some lateral defense, but it's 2 moves away. But my rook, I'll go here. Rook, he does something. Takes, rook e3. My rook comes instantly. His rook takes a couple moves to where it can just defend. I think we're doing okay. You always just wonder, man. FIDE Master David Bassett was saying that I play so much chess, right? Everyone I come in contact with on chess.com, I should tell them about the stream. Yours isn't overly thick anymore, but grows ridiculously fast. Ah, well, I think you're a little bit younger than me, Sabine, right? So, and so that's a blessing. So, but I don't like the idea. I want to be listed on the streamers on plays G5. Okay. If he does play knight f6 on my queen, I can play takes check. And queen up, and I think it works. So I think he has nothing good. So I think we're going to bring a rook. We're going to bring the rook as promised. By the way, just realized completely dropping c4 pawn. I believe you're my age. You're older. Say, be nice. I know a girl, a friend of mine. She was a bartender at my open mic years ago at the beach club, and she's a friend. Whoa. Brings the king. Okay. Oh. Takes, queen takes. Doesn't do anything. I don't think this file's going to open because there's no promises. If I push, he could play rook over. I could attack this pawn. Just queen. How does he defend the pawn? He can't. Right? And once this pawn falls, this pawn falls. Am I right? Your hairdresser is nearing 80, and I think she does some kind of magic to me. You know, my hairdresser is not that much older than me, but my hairdresser is older than me. And he used to have hair just like mine, and now he's rather bald. And so he's very protective of my hair. A1, Diago. How you doing, man? That pawn is a bit loose, Johto. That's kind of what I noticed. But this friend of mine, this girl who was the bartender, she has thick, dark hair, and she was young. She was probably in her mid-20s. And she would take a hairbrush and just brush it like this. Ripping through the freaking tangles. I'm like, yeah. My hair's not that thick, and it doesn't grow that fast anymore. You know what I mean? She was like bulletproof with the hair. She didn't care about hair. She cared about her hair, I guess, actually. She just didn't, she just moved. She just freaking moved. I say she moved because I'm looking at her chest. She would just tear through it. You should have seen it. I'm like, whoa, easy with the hair. And she's like, she knows her hair. Half of it doesn't break. What does break grows back twice as fast the more she breaks it off. She said strong hair. Did you go to Japan? I did. I went and got my hair done in Japan and came back for you guys. Guys, just a write-off. It is kind of cool, too. There may be ideas of if takes the rook lift comes, One thing I like about this rook lift, protects c3. So if he puts his queen completely out of play, awesome. As a matter of fact, if he plays queen takes, which I don't think he can afford to do right now, I could play bishop takes out of play rook and then rook e3, defending. The other rook can come, defending that, and then once I freaking once we bust him open, we also get rid of this. We have, once we start attacking this, we may have f4 maneuvers. I don't know, man. This is not exactly official chess advice, okay? This is not legal chess advice. But you guys have heard me say it. Put your pieces near your opponent's king. It's like, you can't teach someone who just learned how to move the pieces. You can't teach them how to, look at weak squares, coordinate weak squares to attack weak squares. It's just stuff you can start learning relatively early, but this is not first day stuff. But if you get two guys, and you teach them both how to play chess. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, he wants to trade queens. I guess we just take it, right? He's attacking my queen. Queen takes, pawn takes, knight hits the pawn and the square, but it doesn't really do anything. I think it's better just to take the pawn. I'm winning a pawn. Okay, an idea. Queen back. And hope that he can get this moving. I think we take the pawn, guys. I think I just take the pawn and just be up 2.5 minutes on the clock and 100 points of rating. Both of our knights are in Looney Land, but my knight is in Looney Land within checking range of his king. His knight is in. Oh, plus, I'm on the G5 pawn too. We could come back here maybe. No, I guess knight F5 is the move. And there could be ideologues, but two guys being equal, if you taught him how to play chess that day, and you told one of them, move all your pieces toward your opponent's king, there might be a checkmate. That's a plan. It's a bad plan, but it's a plan. A bad plan is better than no plan. Take that pawn. Wait, rook fork. There was a rook fork. I didn't see a rook fork. A rook fork. There's no rook fork. Yeah, plays this. Now, I think we don't... Do we trade this one? That was a horrible move. You know why? You guys know why. Because it was just a horrible move. Are we going to come this way? The move must be bring the rook. Am I right? It must be bring the rook. Move all pieces to El Centro, right? Now I can come with check, and I think I have to. Move all pieces toward El Centro is one good thing to say, but if you don't know what to do, move your pieces toward your opponent's king. Okay, I think this. Right? Very simple plan, guys. Very simple plan. No, you have to hold the ends or it breaks off. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, she was crazy. She has big, thick, beautiful hair to this day. She's still quite a bit younger than me. Your knight is great where it is. Thank you. That's the nicest thing. It's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me. That my knight is great where it is. Like the music, good vibes. Thank you, D-Vlogs. This is my music. I made this music. That's me playing guitar. I made it for the stream. Brings the Amigos Rook. How does this do anything? We just take. And I think we have to take. Do we take the knight with check? What does it threaten? It brings the king. So takes, rook takes. Rook takes, knight takes, check. If he comes here, we just come back. Then we can come here. This rook's out of play. I think we take. We get rid of our double pawn. I should have looked harder for something. I really, really honestly should have. Now, do we take check? Because where's the knight going? Do you know what I'm saying? I think we take with the rook. Right. Bring the rook now. It's probably bring the rook now, right? I mean, I'm not looking at chat. I have time. And I'm shutting chat off too, but I have not seen any moves. You guys have seen me play this entire game on my own power. Now, I'm up 2 pawns? Oh, that's right. I won the 1 pawn by the... And then I won this. Okay, he has better king position. I have better piece position. So I can do something like in a couple of moves, just be up here and probably winning. I would love to just teleport my pawn here, but I can't. But I can maybe do this. And then here and here. But no, because he could do that. I think it goes defend. I mean, yeah, I think yeah, this is the move. This is the move. Okay. Right. Come to the best score on the board. Now, he does have this, but my king can come here and we can push. Yeah. Now, I have check. King back. Or just takes. Where's his knight going to go? It has 1 square. Can we dominate it? We can't. Check. King here. Takes. Now, if I could control this square, I could control it from here, but I don't see it. Do you know what I'm saying? This knight would be kind of trapped, right? Takes, and then start bringing the king. Do I play this move? To get the king here, or do I go king? King, because I may want to do this and this. You know what I'm saying? And this could be a wasted move. This comes, I go here. I could get to this square in 2 moves, or I could get to this square in 2 moves. He can't get in. I can boogie till I just can't boogie no more. I don't know if king f1 or f3 is better. The knight, oh yeah, what did I say the knight? It can come into here. It can come into here. Come here. Guys, I thought and thought and thought. What is better, f3 or king f1? Okay. Now we do this to keep, for two reasons. Keep the knight out and to create an outside pass pawn. I think this is the move, because once I push, takes, the knight can come in, it's fine. We just come up, but the point is, then we're shoving this pawn. And, boy, I'll tell you, if there's just any way we could attack stuff over here, that would be great. I think we have to keep him out. And also keep him out, and also prepare to create an outside passer. My knight's free. My knight's free to game. We can game to here and attack this weakness. Make him defend it. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty embarrassing. Then from there we come to here and we win the game again. Okay, we just have to improve. Well, we don't have to improve. I have to improve. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring and other games after dark. Tonight will probably be after. Did one of my chats crash? One of my chats moved. One of my chats moved over here. We're fine, folks. What do you do? He's just moving. Okay. Okay. Now, I want to come here and here. Well, no, he's listening. He's listening. And that's fine. He can listen. Go ahead and listen, buddy. Because you're going to lose by reacting. For instance, I can make my outside passer right now. Here and come this way. Push. Or like I said, knight back. See, he's doing that so I can't do this because I think he might. No, I'm not. We don't know that he's listening, guys. We don't know that he's listening. That's just a pretty interesting pre-move. This knight was. Where's it going? Where's it going? Where's the knight going? Where's the knight going? I think it's just keeping my knight out. I'm probably wrong. I could come here. I could come this way. But see, if he can get like to a square like this, he can jump in here. So maybe that's his plan. So here and here, maybe? Here and here? There's no way! Andre, thank you for subbing on YouTube, dude. Growing the community. Growing the community one awesome member at a time. Folks, you absolutely love to see it. Be like Andre. Hit that sub button on YouTube. Hit the follow button on Twitch. Hit the follow button and like button on Facebook, man. Yeah, so he wants to come here, but I think we definitely go. I think we definitely go. I did just give up a square. Wow. Oh no, he has a check. I didn't see the check. Okay. Here, check. doesn't do anything. He has a check here, so we come back, he can't come forward. And then we start pushing, and then we push, we make pass pawns on both sides of the board. So I think he has to keep the knight on this side of the board, and he has to run the king to this side of the board. And I think that's the real plan. So now we'll see if he does it. I don't think he is, guys. Don't think he is. I don't think he's listening. That was probably just a knight maneuver, guys. It was a good, honest knight maneuver. Harry71's playing a good game. Harry71 is the guy I'm playing, but Andre21 just subscribed. Okay, brings the king. Here. He can't come in. He has no checks. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a beautiful scenario, guys. Brings the knight back. Defend ding. Attack king. Threaten ding. Wait. Where can he go from here? He can't go anywhere. He's simply a defender. I could come, he can check. Make an outside pass pawn. Or do we shove here first? Could push. And maybe get a knight here. So maybe knight and then push this way. Yeah. We're messing him up. Oh man, he I don't think he ever should have done that. I don't think he should have done that, guys. I think it was a huge blunder. I'm dead serious. Now, I mean, I'm messing his... Okay, now I win this pawn, right? Well, we come here, and he has to defend it. Oh, he can get in front? Is that what he's doing? He's going to try and block and that? Okay. He still is winning. Right. Now I think I should attack this pawn. Like this. And that way the knight is pinned. And then we have a knight and a king and a pawn versus a lone stir. I don't need to play it now though, do I? Do we come here? To get all wins, folks. I'm up 2 pawns. This is literally how to win a 1 game. This is by far winning. By far winning. Now, I have a check. I could play this check and push him back and check. Or we could just come here. See, there's nothing really... There's no pride in winning this. There is only shame in losing it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, this captures toward the center, but this pawn, if he could be on the negative, if it could be like on the Z file or the X or the W file, further away, that'd be great. I kind of want it there. This keeps everything out. This does, but this keeps my king out too. And it's hard to push. You definitely go like this. And then we shove. Guys, I'm up 2 pawns. There's no pride in winning this. They say the hardest thing to do, the hardest thing to win, hardest thing to do is win a 1 game. I think we come here, and then we just go steal pawns, right? And make his king go to Looney Land. This check is kind of fun. Another thing we can do is shove this pawn all the way to here. This will attack this pawn, and then if my king gets over here, I eat these pawns, and then it's really over. Yeah, my knight and my king can make this pawn go. He's gonna run out of moves. So, but we don't need this move yet. Let's just make our pawn go. Let's just make a queen, a stockfish. Okay, now I want to check from here. These are the one games that are clearly won, yet ooh, can we mate him? He's going to be zugged. He's going to be zugged, guys. He has no moves with his king. And when he comes here, if he goes in the corner, we mate. After this. And he has all these extra moves. And when he moves his knight, I'm going to take this. Yeah. Now. Here. Only, check, only, and mate. Or here, check, and runs, and I make a queen. Or here, and I threaten mate. Can he cover this square? One, maybe, but I'll rip this. And then I can just run over here and get this, and I have 3 pawns. And this one's on the outside. So maybe he's probably listening, and I'm giving him the best resistance. It's okay. I would, hey man. Oh, actually, I wouldn't, but, you know, there we go. Dude, really? Maybe he's just a grandmaster, guys. Oh, wait, though. It doesn't work. It doesn't work because I get check. And then he comes. And then I say check. And then he comes. And then I say queen. And then he comes. And then we come. Is that stalemate? No, he has a pawn push. Okay, good game, dude. That guy gets a thumbs up. It is just weird. It is weird. But you know what? It does happen sometimes. Where every move I suggest, your opponent randomly makes. It happens. It happens. You desperately want to learn chess, but I'm clearly too distracted today to absorb much. I appreciate you, though, and I will see you again soon. Say Bean, take care. Dave Joyce with 100. Dave, thank you. How you doing, man? True Chiller J, what's up? Wednesday tournament day. Charlie plays. Oh, yeah. Can I play you? Love the stream. Diego, I will play you. Yeah, listen to Truth. He's the moderator. He will explain. Oh, I think you can push the pawn to h4 if you take back. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no. It all won. I think my move was better. Pushing the A pawn. Because it was closer to queening. We're going to look at it. Did you ever rip the tag off the inside of your shirt, but then by you doing that, you also rip the seam? And you never know if it's going to make a hole in it or not. This kind of made a partial hole in it. But I can't put my finger all the way through it, but I kind of ruined it. I could sew with a needle. If you're similarly rated, you would be likely to find the same moves. Yeah, you're right, Parade. You're right. No, there are so many different, in every position. This is how they catch cheaters. Because people that don't understand anything about chess, they think, what? I could have got lucky and just made the best move for 20 moves in a row. You can't. You can't. You can't. I mean, you can. It's like winning the lottery twice in a row or something. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, how you doing, user? Okay, we're going to take a look at this game, guys. We're going to take a look at the game. Dude! I need you guys on YouTube, horizontal, or Twitch to spam me some caps or spam me some emotes. Dude, connect 4. That's how you think I won. How do you think I won? I connected 4 like Hikaru. This is a very, very good-looking line, folks. This tells you the quality of the game. This is Clifford the Big Red Arrow. It's very mediocre here. A couple little inaccuracies. Black was even better at some point, guys. He was in the opening. Then I just kind of slowly climbed up. There's definitely some inaccuracies there. But I was definitely in control, guys. That was not a bad game. Definitely something we can learn from because we can improve. Okay, I played 92% accuracy. He played 81%. No brilliance, no great moves for either of us. I played a lot of best moves. He didn't. I played like a 2250. He played like a 1950. He played very well, guys. That was a good game. Good game by my opponent. We each had, I had 2 mistakes. He had 3. We each had a miss. No blunders. No blunders. Start the review. Hey, no idea how I found this channel, but it's good. Zoo, it found you. We found you. We are the chillers. We have the best community in the world. I've been streaming chess full-time for 5 years. So it's just a numbers thing. We got lucky. You know what I mean? You found us now. You got here as soon as you could. Welcome to the stream. You're way better than you. You play 150% accuracy. That's quite a bit better than me. I believe it. Okay, so E4. Oh, yeah, we got to go to the opening book because, okay, these are all the best moves. And now watch. I'm going to go to the opening book. Like I said, when I said here, in this position, we're following Magnus Carlsen versus who? Wait, come on. Magnus doesn't play this line? Where's the Magnus game? Okay, I'm sorry. Fabiano, Prague, Ding, MVL, Norderbeck, Wei Yi, Report, Arjun, Sam Sevian, Nepomniachtchi, Dubov. It's mainline, guys. It's just mainline. It's mainline. It's mainline. But now here's where I didn't know what did I play? I castled. And the number 1 move in this position is to come on, chess.com. Castle. Can I play? Jackal, I'm not playing viewers. I'll play viewers on Thursday. Oh, yeah. I need effective. Sweater did it. Jay, are you still on someone on Twitch? Diego or Jay, could you type something in caps? Like a whole word, like chillers or anything you want to. A sentence, all in caps. Because I figured out why my bot was over moderating. It was over moderating. And that's because I had 2 different bots up and I was changing the settings on one. Something user, thank you. Yeah, see, it didn't get now. I think your chat doesn't have this bot in it, but the other one does. And Sweater gave me effective. I need someone on Twitch to type something all in caps. Maybe spam some emotes. Same thing with YouTube. Spam some emotes. Yesterday is my birthday. Give me a game. Jackal, happy birthday. No. Thursday. Stop asking. Can you hear me? First off, Jackal, can you hear me? Cheers, man. I'm similar rating. Maybe challenge you one day. Absolutely, Zoo. Zoo, like I said, I'm here. I stream chess 4 days a week on a schedule. We start at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. And Wednesday, we have a tournament. You can play me in the tournament. And then Thursday, when I look at my games from the tournament from the day before, I play viewers. So, yeah. Definitely hit the sub button, hit the follow button. And if all you want to do is play me, come back and play me Thursday. Or join the tournament and play me. Ooh, looks like Nightbot is on both. Nightbot is on both things, huh? Banned. Okay. Castles. Best move here is Rookie 1. I played it. Okay, I'm still following Fabiano, Sarah, and Hikaru. Hikaru versus some 2600 player. Faruza versus Fabi. Okay, number 1 move here is A4, which I never play. Knight BD2 is the second most common move. I played B4. Only 2 games. Levon Aronian versus Magnus Carlsen. It was is draw. Yeah, Sabine. There's nothing I can show you with the shirt. The shirt when I ripped the thing out, when I ripped this thing out, the tag, it's like that seam was sewn twice. So it ripped one of the seams, but not the other one. Do you know what I'm saying? So you can't put your finger all the way through. One time I played a move that gave me mate is in 13 and the engine didn't even see it. You're pretty good. User, you're an amazing chess player. We're lucky to have you here. Spam. Zoo, thank you. Yeah, see, and you didn't get moderated. Okay, so he comes back. Bishop A7. That is crazy. Yo, he played no bishop. I attacked his bishop, so that's fine. In this position, A4, knight BD2, and bishop B3. A4, knight BD2, and bishop B3. I played this move. I never know when to play H3, guys. I still need to learn. There's a time. I'm spamming Nightbot. Moderate me, user. Thank you. You never saw anyone asking to spam caps, did you? Thank you. I got the settings set. See here, I'm doing good. June, how are you? Welcome to the stream. So one thing about the spamming caps, it's nice to have your bot moderate when people spam caps, right? Because then if people spam caps, it's like, hey, don't stop spamming caps. I have moderators. If you spam caps, if I say, okay, guys, now we got to stop testing it. If tomorrow someone's spamming caps, hey, stop spamming caps. If they do it again, I'll just ban them. I don't care. It takes 2 seconds. It gives the moderator something to do. People that keep spamming stuff, it gives the moderator something to do. They can ban somebody, right? Spamming emotes. I don't care if someone puts 10 emotes in a row. I think that's great. People like to tell stories with emotes. That's okay. If someone's just spamming line to line and just destroying the chat with emotes, I'll say, hey, don't do that. And if they do it, then we'll just ban them. I don't need Nightbot to do that. Maybe when we get like 10,000 people in chat, like XQC, then we'll have to worry about that. Castles. Oh, we are guys, we are in good company here. Grishuk. And what did Grishuk play? He didn't play knight BD2. It's probably going to transpose though. Now here, A4, Queen C2, Bishop E6, Bishop B3. I played this, and no one played that. Let's see what Stockfish says. Yeah, I considered this and Queen B3. It's the 4th best move in this position, and then Queen D7. Yep, Queen D7, and I'm like, well, I mean, what are we really talking about here? Then we just got to start this stuff in Knight F1. Where's it going though? Knight E7, like Bishop E3, Knight to H5. He wants to come here. Okay, we come here. We're playing chess. Whatevs. It's about equal. So I just started maneuvering the knight. White still has this opening advantage. Well, maybe not after that. It wanted knight H4 here. Okay, but I ended up playing that after. Well, that was anticlimactic. All the hugs legend. Guys, did you see this? Did you know about if you're saying... Yep. June, if you are coming in to sell me artwork, don't do it. You'll get banned. Don't do it. Can I be a moderator? User, yeah. You know what? Could I just make you a partner? That'd be better, right? Is that in that? Well, there's a... Look what I have, guys. His queen is not protected. I had this move and didn't see it. I didn't see it. Good luck to you, June. You're in Scotland, so probably about 700 hours ahead. You're a talented supporter. Congratulations. I'm in Scotland, so probably about 7 hours ahead. Maybe, yeah, it's almost 4 p.m. Central Time. The knight's going from B1 to F5. It's beautiful. Yeah, parade. It's very common. It's very common. But look what I had. In this position, I was winning. And I looked at a couple different things. But I didn't even see that. I didn't see this. Remember, I was looking at stuff, and I was looking at this, and okay, can you play G6? So this was my big miss. Takes, what does he do? Queen D8, Queen E6 are both about the same, and then we just take. Queen takes, Knight F3. We got a free pawn. We're going to play Queen C2, Bishop, bring the other rook, and just play chess. But we're up a free pawn. And a center pawn at that. So I missed it. I came here, takes. That was best. No good. It wants A4 as best. Is it by far the best move? Yeah, it's about half a pawn better than anything else. Oh, no, not. Oh, A4 went down the list. It wants H4. H4. King H8. HG5. Rook G8. No, it wants him to snack. Knight takes. We're playing chess, but now I'm doing a lot better. I'm doing a lot better. If he takes this, I'm going to... Oh, I have to take this call, guys. This is business. This is business. 1 second. All right, guys. I'm gonna tell you guys what that was. A friend of a friend, and I think I might know this gentleman. I think he's a little older than me. He's moving, and he has some upholstery equipment. And if you guys don't know, I've always done upholstery my whole life. And I have plenty of upholstery stuff already. But I think he wants to, some of the stuff he just wants to get rid of, or he'll give it to me for almost nothing. And it might not be a bad idea to go see what he has. You know what I'm saying? And I've been waiting for the phone call. Because a friend of ours had to hook us up. He's got a sewing machine that he says he hasn't used in a while, but he said he's got a working sewing machine, or it worked before. And he said he's got probably every tool and supplies. He's got staples and just everything like ready to go. You know what I mean? I am almost gig ready, but I'm a little bit not quite. And so I don't think I'm done doing upholstery. I quit doing upholstery when I started streaming full time. I was doing upholstery and I'm like, this takes too much time for my streaming. It takes too much time, and I quit doing upholstery. I can make 10 times as much as I make right now, guys. And I don't hate doing upholstery, but I like doing this better. And it's like you could make more money doing something you don't like as much, and then you have money. But if I have enough money to buy a can of freaking beans, I'm happy. I have a guitar. My truck runs. You know what I'm saying? What am I going to buy? A fancy shirt? I don't care. I got cool shirts. You know what I mean? So I'm not, but still the man in me, the upholsterer in me tells me, go take a look at this guy's stuff. Your word brain thought that the other person on the line was trying to negotiate a partnership deal. Hey, that would be great, man. Offer it. Offer me a partnership deal. Someone can be older than you. You've been dying to play some ER. Dude, we're playing tonight, brother. We're playing tonight, Night Momentum. Was that mean? Someone can be older than you. Was that mean? Okay, got that. You have a beautiful Telecaster. Thank you, man. Thank you. That Telecaster was a gift. That guitar was a gift to me, unless you're talking about my main Telecaster. But yeah, that was a gift to me from a dear friend. Okay, so getting back to this game. So tomorrow, guys, I got to call this gentleman around noon or 1 o'clock, and run over to his house and see what he has. I may also then need to procure storage space. He may have. Yeah, I'm not, you know what? Until you know what it is, you don't worry about it. I'm starting to think like, he might have too much stuff. I don't want that much stuff. Yeah, he might try and give me, he might give me, it's like, listen, don't worry about it till you get there. I'll worry about it when I get there. And just go from there. You know what I'm saying? But, kind of look forward to see what the guy has. I think I know you, IRL. User. How? Where? From where, user? Spam. Okay, got you guys. Okay, so this was fine. Oh, no. That was it. That was a subline. What did I do? I played this. Okay, to start bringing the rooks. Dude, C5. C5, just to save the pawn. DC5, BC5. Oh! Because look at his bishop. What a great move. Now, if he wants to get the bishop out, it's going to undouble my pawns, although this is, I don't really know, but I just know his bishop kind of sucks. Knight F6, Queen F3. Queen F3 is a great move. And I'd come to here. Okay. That's the idea. Yeah, because he has to do this. So I got all kinds of pressure. I'm just better. You know what I feel pretty good about this game is I kind of kept the pressure. I'm sorry, Stockfish, for being greedy, but I'm like, I think I see a pawn. I'm going to take the pawn. It wanted Queen F3, guys. Queen F3. Bishop takes, queen takes. And then we're going for this. Knight F6. Oh, it has. We have Knight E7. And yeah, because when the knight comes back, if knight takes, pawn takes, we do this, and we destroy this way, and we have this not pass pawn, but this pawn on D5. Okay, so the structure would kind of change, but instead I just took the pawn. It's still plus 2.75. That was a mistake. You know why? I said this was a bad move. He defends his pawn, but his knight can't come up. But really, what about his pawn? Oh, he could defend it by trading. Takes. Knight f6. Then he could do this if he wants to. But you understand? His knight comes to push pressure. But by playing f6, his knight had to come back into the game by coming back to f8. And that's just not good. So that was a mistake. I noticed it. I said that was a bad move. Rook a d1 is the best move. How do you find this move? How do you find it? It's the best move. How do you find the best move? I could move the knight. I could move the bishop. I could move the king. I could move any pawn. This is the only piece that hasn't moved yet. And I want to bring it to the center. And so that's what I did. And that was Stockfish's best move. Yep. Hey, is it possible to challenge you? Thursdays. Stop listening on Thursday, okay? What's the difference between an engine move and a human move? I think I know you, IRL. You're my friend. What's the difference between an engine move and a human move? An engine move, the computer came up with. Usually, it is based on the computer looking very, very deep into the position and all the forcing lines and solving what the best move is. Whereas humans, in most positions, cannot think as far as a computer. Almost never. And most normally not as accurate. So humans do a lot of times general good moves. Like, rooks belong on open files or files you think might open. Rooks also like to be in the center. These are general knowledge things that I know. So I did this. Stockfish could look really deep in the position and see that this is a better move. It could see that this is a better move. Based on looking really, really deep and seeing weird stuff. It's kind of like this. You get up in the morning and, what do? Before you go walk out to your car, you find your keys. You get your keys. Right? And then you go out to your car. All right? Stockfish might look ahead and know that you left your keys in your car. It's weird. It's a computer move. I don't know why it wants me to go straight outside without my car keys. It looked far enough ahead to know that. A human being says, well, I got to find my keys. And you might waste a whole bunch of time looking for your keys. Because you got to have your keys to start your car. You don't know the keys are in the car because you don't see that far ahead. Stockfish does. You know what I'm saying? So I think in general knowledge and some brute force calculation, Stockfish, it just looks so far into the future, it knows what the best move is. That's the difference. If you were really asking. That's it. Okay. Probably a terrible analogy, but I think you got it. Okay, check here. This is not best. It's the second best move, but it's a half a pawn worse than c5. c5 is just great because if takes. Again, he's blocked out. That's no good. Takes. Oh, no, I get check. Yeah. Okay, and then we get pawns. He has to defend the knight. Take here, lock him out. We're getting stuff. King h8. Just take the pawn probably. No, just attack stuff. You see the rook on the 7th rank? Rook on the 7th rank is usually pretty good. FIDE Master David Bassett told us. I said, is it pretty much like any time you can put the rook on the 7th rank, it's probably the best move? And FIDE Master David Bassett was kind of like, it's pretty strong. It's pretty strong. Right? I didn't analyze it as deep as Stockfish did, but I still found the best move based on general knowledge. Well, no. I didn't find the best one because I didn't play that line. Hey, took with the rook. Takes. King comes. Now it's plus 3.97. Here we go. I hear noise outside. What is it? Okay, takes. Here. Okay, wait. Let's go a little bit further back here. Because it's so important. There's so many moves that, like, maybe don't lose in the endgame, but we know Stockfish knows there's only one best move. That was good. It wanted knight e3. Like, coming to d5, I guess. Knight e3, king e7, king e2, knight e6, knight d5 check, and I'm threatening this, but he's got it covered. King f7, g3. Keep the knight out. What did I say? I kind of watch what I did. G3 here. Okay, best. That was okay. It wanted h4. Yeah, it wanted me to do this now. See, because when I push here, he's not supposed to take. It's a bad move. That's bad. He should wait. Although, I'm gonna push. You know what I'm saying? He should play knight c7. Remember the basic stuff we were talking about earlier? To me, you do this. It's the best move. At first, it didn't like it. So he's kind of screwed either way because I'm up 2 pawns. Check. That was best. That was okay. Again, just h4. What? Why did I... Okay, this move, I don't know why. I don't know why I played this move. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. Because I played h4 now, and I could have played here. Okay, now I have passed pawn. His knight has to stop it, and then I just start shoving. And this is called trousers, guys. The trousers are more obvious when it's just the king. But you see, if the knights are gone, the king might be able to get in front of this pawn. But he can't get in front of this pawn and this pawn at the same time. You know what I mean? His knight can kind of hold one, but again, then my king and my knight and my pawn were going to be checkmating him. Daniel Abbott, how's it going, man? You made it, dude. The only thing better than a rook on the 7th rank is 2 rooks on the 7th rank. Stop, listen. You are very, very right. It's pretty strong. You're not Stockfish, you're Stockwell. You make engine moves, and good for you. Okay, so, boy, that wasn't the best move. Oh, it wanted me to play the check. Okay. Because it's, yep. Yeah, it's just over. This is mate in 5, guys. Knight c7 check. King b8, a7 check. King c8, queen check. King d7. Oh, you don't mate him, guys. Check. Forced. Mate. Wait, no. Check. Oh, no, not C6, not C6. What square did it say? Wow, knight b5, mate. Look at that checkmate. How pretty is that? So, my biggest mistakes in this game were inaccuracies. For instance, I'm going to show you. Bringing a king is fine. I'm not feel bad about that. And this right here, I don't feel bad about it either. I mean, yeah, it's about 1/3 of a pawn. But, again, look how far his knight is and his king. If his king leaves, my knight is just going to start eating stuff. If his king tries to stop this pawn, my knight will start attacking stuff. You know what I'm saying? He can't do everything. But my knight's in a good spot. My king got centralized. Pushed a pawn. Rock and roll. I didn't do it. I wanted to improve my king. He took, made it really better for me. Now I'm crushing. Check, back. And then in this position, again, this is the best move. Why did I come back? Well, you know what's funny? I'm threatening this. Knight d7, right? And you just make the passer. Make the passer. Oh, did I have that move, though? I did. No, I didn't. This doesn't work. Because he just comes where he went. but now I just went over here, and if I trade down, my king gets in and just starts eating stuff. It's too much. It's too much. I just want to see how accurately I played. You know what I'm saying? And I finally got that in. Oh wait, yeah, that's best, right? Best. Yep, I was concerned about this. I considered taking this way, but no, it doesn't help my king get forward. This does. Best. Now his king has to go chase that. I mean, dude, I could just go here. King, here. Takes. Then I got 3 pawns, and his king is way over here. It's all just too much. But it is nice to see the accuracy, the little star moves. Yeah, there we go. Good game. Pepe, his knight should have never wandered over to A8. He was down 2 pawns, man. He was down 2 pawns. Man. What are you going to do, right? So that was a good game. How are we doing? 1699. Guys, you guys want to play some Blitz or something, man? I think we practiced today, guys. I think we played a 15-10 game. We looked at it. We saw a couple things we did right. Saw a couple things we could have done a little bit more accurate. Pepe, how you been, by the way, brother? I feel like you haven't been here every day, Pepe. Pepe, is your life busy? Is your life good? Are there things that are so great in your life that you just don't have time to be around so much? That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear, Pepe. Give it to me. 3-minute chess, folks. Okay. This doesn't do it. We gotta start developing. That kind of explained to my opponent what he should be trying to do in this position. What'd he do? Brings a rook. Okay, looking. Ooh, that's probably not an altogether bad move. I think I do this. I think I literally do that. Make him take back with the pawn. Yeah. Now we come here. Trade off the best bishop on the board for the actually really beautiful knight on the board. He didn't do it. Brings the queen. Attack king. Here. It's Blitz, guys. I know I'm asking for it. Uh-oh. I blew it. Because he gets this. Oh my god, I blundered, guys. I blundered so bad because of the mate. Okay, attack the queen maybe? Nope, he takes anyway. Here, bishop takes. I blew it, guys. I blew it really bad. I blew it really bad. And he's got way too much time. It's okay. We're going to beat him in the next game, guys. The queen bishop battery is strong. It is strong. I thought I saw some stupid tactics, and I thought I was going to make a move, and it was going to drag him into some confusion. And you know what? It didn't. Queen, right? guess we do this. Right. Probably bring this rook. Okay. It's a good move. Okay. I'm losing, guys. I'm losing. You understand that, right? My queen's unprotected. Okay. Knight takes works. It works. Where takes, pawn takes, and bishop back. Just don't give it to me. What do you do? Yeah, I should have pushed. I'm losing on time, guys. It's over. It's over. Resign. Yes! Give me! How'd I do? I resigned with 0.8 seconds. Okay. That was not the best game. Parade, how you doing, man? The queen bishop thing was strong. Yeah, I resigned. I got it in, guys. I got the resign in. If anyone wants to challenge me 3-0 unrated, but I'm not going to wait for you, and don't tell me. But if I see it pop up and you just challenge me 3-0 unrated, I'll play you. But you're not going to be next. It's not going to be anything like that. Because I'm just kind of playing from the pool right now. From the swimming pool. Okay. They love to mess your pawns up, guys. It doesn't do anything. Okay. Here maybe? Here maybe? Here. God, it took forever to find it. It's like there's only so many useful moves in the position. Yeah. It's not a pin, though. Okay, I'm going to take this, I guess. I think I can win a piece if he tries to do something stupid. Okay, takes with the bishop first, maybe? Or do I play queen? You can play king up. Maybe take with a rook first. Because he definitely wants to play this. That weakens that. If he comes over, I can't take this. I think we make his bishop go to a bad place. Just to start. Just for starters. Okay. Now he could play c4. But I could play here, and then rook takes. Yeah, he might have to come back. Then we'll bring the other rook. And then we're attacking up 2 pieces. Well, no, up a piece, I guess, because I sacked one, right? Oh, I'm on the rook too, by the way. And yeah, he doesn't want to, he's like, I'm going to take this, man. I could bring the other rook and then take this and be on this and then check and then mate. He's in trouble, guys. The sacks might have been reasonable. Did I have coffee? I did. It's probably getting cold. What do you do? Plays the bishop back. Threatening. This is... Oopsie. I saw this line. Good game. Finally won a game, folks. My blitz rating is not something to be desired. Let's see how bad the sack was, guys. See how bad the sack was. It's just something that feels good when the sack was correct. The opening, I played a Latvian gambit. I'm losing in the opening. It's supposed to be. Now here it could actually be already getting equal. Yeah, black is equalized. Black is maybe even slightly better. Because I'm playing a Latvian and I'm just outplaying my opponent. That's, see, a question mark? Best move. Takes. Best move. How do I know? I played these positions, guys. I got lucky. Okay. Best. And... What do you think, folks? Dude, it's minus 5.8, and I'm giving up a knight, Daniel. Look at it. Yeah, brilliant sacrifice. Look at it. 1,700 rapid and 1,400 blitz is perfectly normal. Most people are lower rated at blitz. Ah, parade. Okay. No, but even so, I should still feel like my blitz rating is low. But the idea is I fork his king and his queen. So he has no option but to take. And then after takes, if you notice, I spent a lot of time here. The reason why taking here... Well, no, wait. Yeah, if I take with the pawn, his queen can maybe defend something, right? If I don't take... No, but the point is, if I take with the rook... It doesn't let this pawn move forward, and that's a huge defensive resource. It wants queen g5 check is better. That's best. King h2. Now it's saying king h1 was best. Okay, and then it's not thinking. It's not showing me the move. But this is it because I'm on the square, right? Rook f3 is best. Now I'm threatening mate. So this was queen check was better. And queen check, no. Queen check if king h1, same thing. Threatening mate. Queen e3. He can sack his queen. For a rook. Rook h3 check. Takes, or... Or I could play rook e3. But what about queen h4? Was it queen h4 move? That's best. Rook f to d1. Does anyone notice that chess.com's engine is very slow? Yeah. And there's no actual mate. There's no actual mates here. The sack was good, but this... If I play queen g5 check, it's minus 5.8. But if I play this, it's only minus 3.4. You know what I'm saying? So, it's like 2 pawns worse. That was good, but I just had queen g5 check. Because I'm on this. Queen g5 check, knight comes. Bishop h3 hitting, and I'm still threatening this. King h2, and then bring the other rook laughing. Queen h4, all with the threatening. Knight e2, fearing. Rip this with check. Rip this. It's too much. It's too much. The sack was pretty. I'll be honest, I don't know anything about chess. Jackson, Spry, really? Do you know anything about Elden Ring or about music, about guitar? My name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, I play Elden Ring and other games after dark. Hardcore World of Warcraft, maybe? Huh? That was a good game, guys. The sack was fun. It always feels good to get these sacrificial lamsters going. Let's see here. Okay, new 3-minute. We got white. Is he? He's hippopotamusing. He's hippopotamusing, guys. He's hippopotamusing. And now he's using his brain. And now he's tuning into the stream. Wow, that was not a hippopotamus move. Okay, this way. Okay. Open them up, folks. Okay, I can win this pawn. I could hit stuff. I could check the king feels good. The knight comes. Guys, I'm working on the knight moves. You guys don't know about that. I could come. Takes and then bishop d4 looks pretty strong. Stockfish probably would say, just what's wrong with just winning a piece, Charlie? Winning a pawn. I'm up a pawn. So this would be 2 pawns. Right? Oh, you just play king f7. I didn't see it. Bring another rook, I guess. He makes a Costello in front of all my friends. That's embarrassing. I mean, everything just looks so good. Oh, he brought that knight. Interesting. Okay. Feels weird. I'm only up 1 pawn. I thought I won a pawn. Did I lose a pawn? I thought I was up 2 pawns. Well, he moved. Plays the knight back. Okay. His bishop's better than mine. Can I take with a rook? Probably wasn't best. Okay. Just create a pass pawn. Mm-hmm. Yep, behind a material, need a strategy. Okay. 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 I should have come here. Here. Check. Uh-oh. Dude, I traded down to the one endgame. It doesn't matter because he is up by a full... Frank 6 Perez gets a thumbs up. Because, yes, I played better moves in the endgame. Or at least I played the last, second to last blunder. But he was up on time, and we're not just playing for the better position. Yeah. Been meaning to learn about chess, but never have. Jackson, dude, go to YouTube and just search for my first chess lesson. Or go to chess.com. As a matter of fact, I think you can do this. Chess. Yeah, there you go. Right there, the last comment from Nightbot. New to chess, create your account. That's a free link to get chess.com on your account for free. It's completely free. And it's my affiliate link. So further down the road, if you ever spend any money, you want to get a better plan, they tip me out of their pocket. It doesn't cost you anything. It's a great way to support the stream. If everybody here started their chess.com account with that affiliate link, it costs you nothing. And it would seriously help the stream. And go to the first lesson, learn how to move the pieces. And then you do the first, then there's another lesson right after it. Very, very simple lessons written by professional chess teachers, by masters and professional teachers. And you will get a good foundation. Then you won't have to waste hours unlearning bad habits. But you will only build good habits. And then you'll be a good chess player. Yeah. It's a move, man. It's a move. All right. New 3 minute. Let's do it. I might as well, right? Right, guys? Okay, here we go. E4, E5. Oh, I got to do this first, right? No idea what to do here. No idea what to do here. Okay, attacking, just, I guess, defense stuff. Okay, just block stuff. Okay, takes, I play queen takes. And it could, because I mean, my king is not actually in trouble. Wow. Come here, just, yep, just come back. Come back. This first, I guess? That was a bad mistake, guys. That was a big, big mistake. Here? Oh, it's a big mistake. I blundered. I blundered big time. No, I can defend this. No, he's on this. I blew it, guys. I blew it so bad. I'm just going to resign. Because I didn't want to look that deep into it. I am able to access the affiliate link later. I'm not on my computer right now. Sure. Well, F5 didn't know you were a Gambit player. Yeah, sometimes too much. Sometimes too much. No, I'm more likely to play a Latvian Gambit than I am to play like a King's Gambit. Bishop C4 was better, but, you know, we're developing. Come here. Other rook. Okay. Blundered it. I should have just took this while I could. No, I can't. Oh, that's not even hanging. Guys, my tactics are bad today. My tactics are really, really bad today. Is it trapped? Comes there. Okay, we come here. Then I bring a rook. To bring a rook and another rook. I don't know what to... I'm not okay here, guys. This is not okay. He looks at my pawn. Okay, I can kick him. I'm so busted here. I'm so busted. Yep. Very, very busted. This is falling. But I could do this first and make him go here. Oh, he gets there anyway. I didn't see it. Okay. Here. Checkmate! It would just be great if there was just a checkmate. You know what I mean? It'd be faster. Guys, that's two completely blundered positions. Wow. Yeah, he goes there. That's probably a really good move. Yeah. Trapped his queen, folks. Trapped his queen. I didn't trap it. I pinned it. I saw it, guys, so I made the moves quick. Marsh the buck. He has, guys, he has some material for it. But it's going to be a check, and then I can get this. And then I think it... Now I can come here, right? And I come here and hit the rook. Oh, the knight gets away. The knight gets away. So I chased him to a good square. Okay, so we need to, like, cover stuff. Let's come back. Stay on this. I see some dumb ideas, too. Chase it? No, these pawns are fine. I definitely want to trade. I may kick the knight and then come in here, right? It's an idea, but I don't think he's supposed to let me in, guys. Well, he gets a rook check now. From here. He could just play a rook check. I didn't see it. There's a slight delay. Guys, he's too... Okay, yeah. He was concerned with that. Hitting. Now I'm threatening. Okay. It's his last chance, hoping that I don't see rooks move backwards, but they do. They move backwards every day. All day, every day. Oopsie. Good game. Oh my god. Take the queen. Asking, is there any chessable course worth buying? Elmo, I don't know, but I would say you don't need a chessable course. If there's a chessable course on Endgames, and you've already watched every video you can for free about Endgames, maybe even bought a book, like... Where's the... I see it, it's buried. This is one book. Essential Chess Endings Explained by Move by Silman. He also has a two-part book, maybe 2 or 3 books that are each one a little bigger than this. You bought this, you read the whole thing, you understand it, then look into some Chessable courses. But you're just wasting money because there's no easy way to get better at chess. You should be studying endgames. Well, good game. I was nervous for some reason. I was losing. Daniel, you were nervous because I was losing. Dude, I've won a game like this before. Do you know that? With this same, and I guarantee it was in a Scandinavian. I've won a game with this pin before. It's just so beautiful. See, even after this though, let's see. Yeah, it's okay. It's +4. It likes Rook D1 better than taking the pawn, but a pawn's a pawn. Yeah, and this Queen G7 is third best move. Yeah, I should hit it this way. Knight F5, and then end trade. Kind of what I did. Rook C8. Yep, and then just Rook D7. Dude, this is Stockfish moves. And except for me being an idiot with my queen, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Queen F6. Yeah, Queen F6 starts hitting stuff. What's wrong with the... My move's no good? It's about a pawn worse. He just has to go Rook B8. And then Queen, here's what I was going to do. Yeah, Queen F7. It likes King D2, but this one, because I'm hitting this. And then if he does this, I take care. Check. I saw that. I saw once I get doubled, I would be threatening. I would be threatening Rook takes. You know what I'm saying? And then takes, and this is hanging. Now he could have moved his Rook somewhere else to right. That wouldn't have worked. But then I'm taking here. I'm on this. It's too much. It's too much. Guys, I got a queen for a Rook in the night. But I'll tell you this: if these Rooks were down here, and his knight was on some good square, he could have some play. That's why you definitely want to trade one of the Rooks. Yeah, let's 1v1. Danielle, Thursday I will 1v1. You have lost with queen versus 2 Rooks so many times, it's not easy to convert. Yeah, well, it depends on the position. Rooks, Rooks are 2 Rooks are worth 10 points, but a queen's worth 9, right? The way the Rooks are okay is if the guy with the Rooks, if he doesn't have a lot of weaknesses, because the queen can attack weaknesses real fast. These pawns, it's like, if he gets a Rook here, everything's defended. You know what I mean? Like takes, and if he just does this is defended, this is defended. Now he can attack, he can do this and threat. White can do that and threaten stuff, right? But the point is, you can get defended. But if there's like doubled pawns, if black has doubled pawns, isolated pawns, the Rooks kind of have a hard time defending a bunch of weaknesses. You know what I mean? And so it's like if you're going to trade your queen for 2 Rooks, and you're going to have the 2 Rooks, are Rooks going to have open files? Are they going to be strong? Are they going to be uncontestable? Because are you going to be able to defend your weaknesses? Is this queen going to run rampant all over the board? Yeah. Guys, I think I'm going to go. I'm going to start looking at dinner. What a great stream. If you guys like what you see, hit the sub button. YouTube, hit the sub button. That's your button to hit. And the like, guys. Give me some likes. That'd be awesome on this stream. And then Twitch, my favorite people at Twitch my favorite purple people who just got me 500. We're up to 521 followers. Hit the follow button. Love you guys. Community's growing like weeds. We're growing like, I don't even know like what, but it's a good thing. What else? What do we got here? Facebook. I freaking love you guys, man. Hit the like button, follow button, say goodbye on the way out. It all helps. Everything else had a blast. Yeah. Jackson, come back and see us, man. I'll be here tomorrow at 3 p.m. All right? And I'll be back here too at 8 p.m. for a gaming stream tonight. So be sure you hit the sub button, hit the like button, be sure your notifications are on. Because you definitely want to get involved with the best community in the world. And we'll guide you, man. We have the all-inclusive... Like, if you're just learning chess, you are as welcome as a grandmaster. You are. As long as we all, everyone tries to be nice to each other around here. We all talk with our adult voices. You know what I mean? My mom might be watching. Kids watch. Sometimes people watch a show with their kids. We keep it light. We keep it nice. Then it's a good community. It's a good community, man. Very, very fortunate. Love you, Daniel Abbott. Yo, what's up? I remember playing chess when I was decent at it. Plog! It's okay. You got to get back into it. Plog, I got to get running. We're leaving right now, but hit the follow button. I stream chess 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. And I'll be back tonight for a gaming stream, Elden Ring, and then tomorrow at 3 for another chess stream. I love you guys. Catch you guys later. Goodbye.